Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file past taxes, gather W-2s, 1099, and prior returns before starting. I'll walk you step by step through organizing documents, choosing the right forms like Form 1040 or 1040X, and estimating taxes and penalties. I'll explain where to get transcripts, how to calculate refunds versus balances owed, and when to seek professional help to avoid mistakes. Start by completing the correct tax form for each year, entering income, deductions, and withholding exactly as shown on your W-2s and 1099s. If you discover errors later, complete Form 1040X to amend a return and explain changes. I'll guide you on calculating penalties, applying safe harbor rules if applicable, and how to attach supporting documents to speed processing and avoid delays. When filing past returns, know that many older tax years require paper filing, so print and mail returns with all attachments. If you owe, choose a payment method that fits your budget or request an installment agreement to avoid enforced collection. I'll explain how to calculate interest and penalties, check IRS processing times, and track submitted returns using transcripts or IRS notices to confirm acceptance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.